hair versus Drano challenge here. We're gonna put some of the Drano in this cup, and then we'll put the hair in and we'll see what happens. We're gonna put the hair in there. You can kind of see that there. You can see it's in there. And we'll see what it does here. A tad bit more. There we go. All right, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so here I'm putting a stopwatch here. The only issue was that it was going black, so every so often I'm picking it up like that and putting it back down. And it's just blacking out, but I didn't really want to cut this scene, so whatever that does for this video, so be it, I suppose. As you can see, the hairs, it kind of floated to the top there in the cup, and we'll see what happens. I just have a little spoon there to get anything out at the end if there is anything, and we'll keep trying with this stopwatch here and see what happens. I did speed it up to its 5x speed right now. So I try to do that rather than cut it, because with a cut scene you could just cut straight to the end. I suppose I could have done that, but with this you can actually see it, if it's going to melt or whatever it does, or if it doesn't, you will see that as well. So that is what I'm doing here, and the watch is it's still keeping track of time, but it's blacking out, and every so often I'm just picking it back up, and you can see the time there going by at an increased speed. So I tried to fix it here, but you'll see me in a minute. I put it on my arm and put my arm in front of the camera here, and that helps a little bit. It'll keep it on, but as you can see, it'll go for a few seconds and then just revert back to the actual minute with underscores not showing the seconds, but it is what it is. So you can, if you can kind of look at the cup again, not to distract you, it does look like it's fading a little bit, I would say. It's not as pronounced. You can kind of scroll back and scrub through the video and just kind of, obviously you can see what you want to see with it, but it's looking less pronounced as it floated up to the top. So that's kind of cool. I've never tried this before, so it's the first time. I've obviously put it down the drain, waited 15 to 30 minutes, and then ran hot water, and it's worked sometimes and sometimes it hasn't. So but yeah, definitely here I think I turned the cup a little bit, but definitely it's looking a lot less. If you want to kind of scrub back or rewind to the first minute or two and then kind of come back to this position, definitely looks like it's breaking it up or turning it into gel or something here. So looks like it has some promise. Looks like it's 15 minutes have gone by, 15 minutes 54 seconds, and now I am kind of going through with my spoon here. If you're finding any value with these kind of videos or think this is cool, go ahead and subscribe below. Little subscribe button to the channel, that would help out. And here we go at 17 minutes 53 seconds. I would think I was going to let this run for 20 minutes total. And I do have down below I have a Drano Max Gel affiliate link, just FYI. Let's see here. So it's still, oh wow, I glanced back up and it's looking, I can hardly see anything in the cup. 20 minutes 24 seconds I think I see, and here we go. Here it looks like it's not much there. All right, so it's been a little more than 20 minutes. As you can see, really disintegrated the hair. Did a pretty good job. I can't tell if this is like, no, it's not I couldn't tell if that was a strand still on there, but I mean, I can't even see the hair anymore. So see, here's and I'll come down close here. So that's pretty cool. It looks like it dissolved the hair basically. Basically turned into like a little gel goop and dissolved all the hair there. That was a decent sized clump of hair. I mean, if your drain's really stopped up, it'll be quite a bit more, but so it worked pretty good. This is the Drano Max Gel. I'll put an affiliate link in the description and in the pinned comment if you want to try it out, but just wanted to do a little versus here. I was seeing some Street Fighter ads and I thought, why not do a little versus Max Gel versus the ball of hair. So yeah, pretty cool. Try it out. Thanks guys.